Hi, this is Andy with Condé, and today I'd like to show you how to install your Go UNO printer as a USB printer on your Macintosh. The first thing we want to do is insert the CD-ROM into your Macintosh. Now once it is inserted, there are several ways to access it. On some Macs it'll pop up on its own, and you simply go into the Mac OS X folder. Sometimes you'll see the CD pop up on your desktop. You can double click it to access this folder, and other times you'll actually have to open the Finder and actually browse to the CD-ROM under Devices, click on it, and then open the Mac OS X folder. From here we're going to open up Drivers and run the driver utility. You're pretty much going to hit Continue through the install. Take all your defaults, continue here. Gonna have to continue on the license agreement and actually hit I agree. Gonna hit install, and then it's gonna ask you for your username and password. Now this is the username and password that you log onto your Mac with. Type it in and select install software, and then select close. Now the driver's installed at this point. Installing a USB printer, the next step you want to do is simply connect the USB port to your computer, and that will actually install the printer for you. The next thing to do is open Photoshop. Now here you can use Photoshop, Photoshop Elements, or Illustrator. The main thing is you want to make sure you open an image of some sort, and then we're going to select File and Print. There's nothing to do inside the print dialog except for actually set up the printer driver itself. You want to make sure you have the printer selected and hit Print. Just hit Continue if a window pops up. On this window here, we want to make sure all the settings are correct. Now normally you're going to see this in a compact window. On older systems, 10.6 and earlier, you'll see a little arrow here. On Windows or Macintosh 10.7, click on Show Details. On this screen, you want to make sure you have a check in Flip Horizontally. And this is going to mirror your images on your prints. You want to select the Laydown pull down and go to Paper Feed. We want to make sure that all pages from is set to the multi-purpose tray. If anything else is selected, simply click on the pull down and select multi-purpose tray. Next we want to go to Printer Features, and under Feature Set we want to select Insert Option. Here you're going to set your media type. Your media type is going to be based on which transfer paper you're printing from. I recommend setting the media type based off the transfer paper you use the most as a default. Now once you have this set, we're going to set this back to layout for perspective. But the presets pull down, you can actually click on this pull down and use it to save presets. You can save a different preset for each media type. And that way all you have to do is select it from the list and hit Print. And you're done.